Welcome back to another video. It's your boy 𝒮𝓃 with a refurbished unboxing of the Xbox Series X Halo Limited Edition. And let's get into it. If you're wondering why I'm not showing the front of the box, the top of the box, is because I don't want to put on my address. The styrofoam on top from the refurbished seller. It's on eBay, by the way. And there's the console itself already. I'm not going to show this person's thing, but this person said thank you for the purchase, pretty much. And yeah, it's the front. It's definitely the front. Let me get this off, and I can't believe this is happening really right now. Actually, check this out. You got the this, so it wouldn't get damaged. There we go. It's gonna get out like that. You got the cables right here to the side. These look practically brand new. Unfortunately, it does not come with the controller because I just got it for the console. Alright, so I got the box out of the way, and here's the console itself in this colored lighting. If you would like to see it in normal white lighting, I will show that right now. So here's the front side. So that is basically the console. It's just a refurbished console of it. Nothing crazy about it. Yes, I did get two cables of it to, make it work. This is the power cable, what it looks like now, if you did not know. And then here's the HDMI. There we go. I did clean it off with alcohol pads because, one, gotta disinfect it. Two, it was a little bit dirty, not even gonna lie. It had a fingerprint on the right of it, but you know what, sometimes you gotta be clean, and if it's going to be yours, you gotta treat it right. So yeah, thank you for watching. It's been your boy 𝒮𝓃. You have a good day, stay hydrated, and peace.